you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a video on how I use the Dyson Airspun curling wand. It's the whole kit. I got it for Christmas along with pretty much a lot of other girls. I've been using it pretty much every day since Christmas. And I've been trying to figure out how it works best with my hair. I have pretty thick natural hair. It's long. For the most part, it holds curl pretty well. I was using it and it just wasn't lasting, and I was like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, somebody help me. I figured out a way that my curls stay with my hair type. Everyone's hair is so different, so I definitely can't speak on behalf of everyone that this will work. If you have pretty thick hair that holds curl pretty well, this might work for you as well. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button below. My husband Cody and I also make videos, travel vlogs. We're going to Nashville soon, so definitely hit subscribe. Come join all the fun. We would love to have you. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna get started with the tutorial. So I completely washed my hair and filmed on how I get these curls. So hopefully this helps you guys in any way. I'm going to check in around like 5 or 6 o'clock and show y'all what my curls look like at the end of the day to see how they hold up. So let's get into the tutorial. How I use my Dyson Airwrap. Like most girls, I got this for Christmas. It's definitely been some trial and error. I have very long hair, which pretty much holds curl very well. It comes with 2 different curl barrels. It has a thicker one and then the smaller one, as you can see in comparison. So when I first got it, I was only using the thicker one just because I thought like, oh, I don't want tiny little ringlets. But I noticed that my hair wasn't holding the curl very well at all. Played around with it, decided to use the thinner, skinnier barrel, and that's when my hair like really took off and held it super well. I'm gonna get the blow dryer plugged in really quick. First things first, let's talk about the product I put in my hair. Whenever I wash my hair, we'll use these separately, the Olaplex hair products. This is the number 7 and the number 6. I had just washed my hair like today. I just got out of the shower, so I'm gonna put in the oil before I blow dry my hair as a heat protectant. And then after I blow dry it, before I go to curl it, I will put in the number 6, which is a bond smoother. Now, if it's like a second day where I'm not washing my hair, but I want to use I will combine the 2. I will just like get my hair wet with a brush. For whatever reason, it just works better. Your hair takes it better when it's wet. Everyone's hair is so different. So it really is just about trial and error. I've been using this almost every day since Christmas, no joke. And I've just been trying to learn what works best and how to get the curls stick and to have the most volume. First, like I said, I'm going to take that Olaplex number 7 bonding oil and I'm going to apply this to the ends of my hair. So I'm going to do a little tap and apply that as a heat protectant. I've recently gotten into these and I really like how my hair has been. First, I'm going to take the blow dryer and we're gonna blow dry it to about 80%. I really focus on getting the roots a little bit drier than the ends. I keep a little more damp. So I'm gonna switch now to this volumizing one. And I kind of work at the roots. I don't go all the way down. Focus kind of at the top parts and the crown and just work it through my roots to get that volume. Now that we've got pretty much our roots dried, sometimes I'll go in with this. And if I just want to make sure that there's no like kinks up top, I'll just smooth it down a little bit. Pretty much got our base done. You want to make sure your hair is wet enough so that the curls will stay, but if it's too damp, it'll be too heavy, so the wand won't pick it up. So you take one, you can see the arrows go in what direction the curls will twist. This one goes with this side of my hair. I'm going to do the attachment. Also, don't think I shared this, and I'm so sorry, but I did put in that Olaplex number 6 bond smoother in my hair. I'm going to turn it on to the high heat, highest setting. I'll get the hair, roll it up, curl it. While it's still in the curl, I will move the heat setting down to cold, so it cools the curl down, and then to release, you turn it all the way off and then let your curl go. I don't touch it, I don't do anything with it until I'm completely done, and then we'll shake it out. Okay, so like you just saw with this curl, the end of it was a little heavy because it was too damp, so I had to like run it back and forth until it dried the hair a little bit, and then it was able to pick it up. To that front piece, so I've curled the rest of it. I don't curl it all the way to the top because I'm going to be rolling that out anyway with another piece, so I'm just gonna do it to about where my like nose is. So this is what we've got. Some tight ringlets. I'm gonna leave it like this completely. I'm gonna switch out the little barrel so it's the one for the other side of my hair. This side's dried a little bit, so I'm gonna use a brush to get it a little bit more damp. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this side with my curls. I have a lot of hair, so in total this process probably takes me 30 minutes. It's definitely not a quick hair. You can make it quick if you want to use like this. I rolled my hair out the other day, like the nice quick blowout. That looks really good, but in the way of the curls, it definitely takes a little bit. This part is important so that I don't look like Lobo Peep. I just kind of shake it out. I don't brush through them ever because that will pretty much get rid of the curl. So I stick my fingers in, kind of shake out the roots. I'm gonna put my hair in the back and kind of shake it out. You can even like run your fingers like gently through them so that they're not like whole pieced curls like so. I need to curl this front piece one more time because it's a little different than the other side. I will usually take this barrel again and go through the front and do like some more volume, but it looks pretty voluminous at the moment, so I think I'm gonna leave it as is. I just use a pretty basic hairspray. This is the Pantene Never Stray. It's a super light hold, so it's not crunchy. Sometimes I won't use hairspray. It really just depends on the day, but for the most part, that is it. Let me give you a rundown of the hair. So right now it is about 11:30. I'm gonna come back around dinner time, so like right before we go work out, and I'm gonna show you what my curls look like then. What is up, you guys? It is like, it's 1:39, so that means it has been 3 hours since I last did my hair, and it's held up pretty well. This one piece is just not wanting to cooperate. I just filmed a try on haul, so I've been throwing clothes on and off of my head, and I would say that they've held up pretty well, like for the most part. Hopefully you can see. Whenever I was using the wider barrel, like I mentioned, I literally like did my hair, went to brunch, and they had fallen like dramatically. Didn't even look like I had curled my hair. So I'm pretty impressed with how these curls have stayed, and yeah, so I will do another check-in with you guys probably around 5 o'clock because we have a workout at 6:15, so I'll be putting my hair up in a ponytail then. So I will check in with you guys in a couple more hours and we will see the final result. It is a little bit later as promised. I took my makeup off like an hour ago, completely forgetting that I had to film the end of this video. So it is almost 5 o'clock and I have not brushed my hair, done anything except I had it up in a clip, like half up in a clip while I was cooking some food. For the most part, the curls have fallen a little bit and it's fuller up here, but the waves on the bottom have stayed pretty well. These front parts I would say have fallen the most, but like second day curls would still be pretty strong. Would probably brush them out and then like rewind any pieces that I felt like needed to, but for the most part I think that it held pretty well and I'm pretty impressed by how they look in my hair. I'm glad that I found a routine that I feel like my hair likes with the Airwrap. I was really nervous like getting it for Christmas and my curls weren't holding as well. I was like, great, like I'm never gonna want to use this, it's so expensive, but I'm really happy that I did find a routine finally that I feel like my hair liked and that I can be using for a long time. So hopefully this helped you guys. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I would love to answer them for you. My camera is falling over, what the heck? I would love to answer them for you, but in the meantime, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you guys next time. Bye.